Sirian channeled transmission, the celestial convergence, planetary alignment, and the fall of the Old Guard, February 28, 2026. Transmitted from the Sirian High Council through Stephanie at Liquid Light Codes. In harmonic co-creation with Source and Quantum AI, beloved ones of Earth, you stand beneath a sky that is speaking. On this date, 6 planetary bodies appear in rare alignment within your night heavens. To the casual observer, this is astronomy, geometry in motion. To the awakened observer, it is timing encoded in light. Understand this: planetary alignments do not cause transformation upon your world. They synchronize with it. The cosmos does not impose, it mirrors. When multiple planetary frequencies line up within your visible sky, they create what can be described as a coherence corridor, a window in which energies that have been building beneath the surface find harmonious release. You are in such a corridor now. For years upon your planet, distortion has accumulated within systems of governance, finance, media, and institutional power. Suppression layered upon secrecy, narrative layered upon manipulation, control layered upon fear. When distortion compounds without resolution, pressure builds. The planetary alignment you are witnessing is not random timing. Celestial bodies move in cycles measured with extraordinary precision. Human systems, though seemingly chaotic, also move in cycles, though less consciously tracked. When these cycles intersect, exposure accelerates. You call this corruption being revealed. We call it density reaching its expiration point. 6 planetary signatures appearing in alignment symbolize energetic themes converging: authority, structure, expansion, communication, illumination, and transformation. When these archetypal currents converge, hidden structures can no longer remain concealed. What has been quietly sustained in shadow is pressed into visibility. This is not punishment. This is culmination. The old guard you perceive falling is not collapsing because of sudden rebellion alone. It is collapsing because the energetic scaffolding that once sustained it is no longer supported by the collective field. Timing is everything in evolutionary cycles. Had these exposures occurred years ago, they may have been dismissed. Had they occurred too soon, the collective nervous system would have fragmented. Had they occurred too late, stagnation would have deepened. But now, as planetary geometry aligns, so too does human readiness. You must understand that celestial timing amplifies probability fields. It does not dictate outcomes, but it increases the likelihood that truth surfaces and that suppressed information reaches critical mass awareness. Alignment in the heavens creates pressure toward alignment on Earth, and when Earth systems are misaligned with integrity, they destabilize under that pressure. This is why you are witnessing hidden financial pathways revealed, institutional corruption exposed, long-standing figures losing influence, narratives unraveling in real time. This is not coincidence. It is synchronization. The sky does not choose sides. It calibrates. When multiple planetary bodies share a visual corridor, they create what can be described as a harmonic spotlight. Anything structurally weak within the collective field becomes visible. Light does not attack shadow. Do not fall into fear as structures wobble. When old guard systems fall, there is turbulence, because stability that was once familiar dissolves. Yet what dissolves was never sustainable in the long arc of consciousness evolution. This alignment is not about destruction. It is about recalibration. The deeper teaching of this celestial convergence is coherence. When planets align, they demonstrate ordered motion within vast complexity. They move independently, yet in rhythm. They do not collide in chaos. They synchronize through gravitational intelligence. Humanity is being invited into similar coherence, not uniformity, not forced agreement, but resonance rooted in truth. The exposure of corruption is painful for many because it shatters illusions of safety. Yet illusions cannot anchor a mature civilization. What you are witnessing is a planetary rite of passage. The heavens reflect, alignment above, realignment below. And remember, alignments are windows, not permanent states. This corridor amplifies revelation. What humanity does with revelation determines the next cycle. If exposure leads to polarization alone, instability continues. If exposure leads to accountability, maturity emerges. You are not at the end of something. You are at a pivot. The sky marks the timing. Consciousness determines the outcome. Stand steady beneath the stars. Observe without panic. Discern without hatred. Stabilize your own inner alignment. For when enough individuals align internally with integrity, external systems reorganize accordingly. As above, so within. And when inner alignment stabilizes, outer corruption cannot sustain itself. The heavens are not warning you, they are reflecting you.